Hello everyone. My name is Poonam Muzmule. I am the student of Barisang Institute. So today's topic is on digestive system. Digestive system it is responsible for breaking down the food and absorbing the nutrients and expelling the waste from the body. So it involves a series of processes that convert food into energy, and it is essential nutrient that body need to function properly. So components of digestive system. Digestive system it is made up of elementary canal and accessory organ. So first it is elementary canal. It is also known as gastrointestinal tract. This is the continuous tube from mouth to the anus, through which food passes and is processed. So next it is mouth. Then the function of these, the entry point for food. The teeth break down the food and break down food mechanically, while the saliva produced by the salivary gland, and it contain enzymes and being a chemical digestion for carbohydrate. Then next it is a esophagus. The function of esophagus, it is a muscular tube that connect to mouth to the stomach. It uses a rhythmic muscles contraction, it means peristalsis, to push the food down in the stomach. Then next it is the stomach. The function of the stomach, it is a hollow organ where the food is mixed with gastric juices, and these juices contain a hydrochloric acid and the enzyme like a pepsin, which help breakdown of protein, and the stomach churn the food in semi-liquid substances called chyme. Then next it is a small intestine. It is the longest part of the digestive system, and it is divided into three section. First it is a duodenum. First part where the most chemical digestion occur with the help of bile and pancreatic enzyme. So next it is a jejunum. It is the middle section where the most nutrient absorb. So then last it is a ileum. It is the final which absorb the remaining nutrient and passes undigested food to large intestine. Large intestine, it is a colon, and it absorbs the water and salt from the remaining undigested food, and it turning it into a stool. It also beneficial bacteria that help break down the remaining substances. Then next it is a cecum. The beginning of the large intestine is known as cecum. So ascending and transverse and descending colon. Part of the colon where water and nutrients are absorbed. Next is the rectum and anus, the final secretion where the stool is stored and expelled from the body. So next it is the accessory organ. First it is a salivary glands. Function, it produces a saliva which contain a enzyme like amylase that begin the digestion of carbohydrate in mouth. Next it is a liver. The function of the liver, it produces the bile, and which it help in emulsify the fat and making the food easier. In this, the nutrients are absorbed from small intestine and deoxified in the substances. So next it is a gallbladder. It store and concentrate bile produced by the liver. When food enter the small intestine, the gallbladder releases the bile to aid in the fat digestion. Next it is pancreas. The function of pancreas, it produces a digestive enzyme such as amylase, lipase and protease and bicarbonate. It neutralizes the stomach acid. These enzymes help in breakdown of carbohydrate, fat and protein in small intestine. The function of the digestive system, first it is a ingestion. In this ingestion means it is a intake of the food and liquid through the mouth. Then next procedure is digestion. In this digestion, the mechanical and chemical breakdown of a food into a simpler molecule. Next, it is a mechanical digestion occur through a chewing and churning of food, while chemical digestion involves enzymes and acid. It break down the complex molecules. So, next step is absorption. So, in absorption, the process of absorbing nutrients from digested food into a bloodstream or lymphatic system, and it also primarily in the small intestine. So last step it is defecation. In this the elimination and undigested and unabsorbed food, the particle like bacteria and waste product from the body in the form of stool. Next is the digestive process, ingestion and mechanical digestion. Food is taken into the mouth where it is chewed and mixed with saliva. The teeth break down the food into smaller pieces, and saliva moisten the food and making it easier to swallow. So chemical digestion, in the mouth, food mixes with the gastric juices and which start the breakdown of protein and other molecule. So the pancreas and liver further assist by releasing the digestive enzymes and bile and enzyme the bile into the small intestine. Next it is the absorption. Majority of the nutrient absorption occur in small intestine. The wall of the small intestine are lined with villi and microvilli, which increase the surface of area for absorption. The nutrients like amino acid, fatty acid, and vitamins, minerals are absorbed into the bloodstream or lymphatic system. Then next is water and salt absorption. Um, in large intestine, water and salt are absorbed from the remaining food matter. The remaining waste is form into a stool. Then next it is a excretion. The stool is stored in the rectum until it is expelled through the anus during defecation. So common disorder of digestive system is first it is a gastroesophageal reflux diseases. It is a chronic condition where stomach acid frequently flows back into the esophagus and causing a heartburn and regurgitation and discomfort. Next is a irritable bowel syndrome. In this, it is a functional digestive disorder that causes symptoms like bloating, diarrhea, and constipation. Then next it is celiac diseases. In celiac diseases, it is a autoimmune disorder where the ingestion of gluten damages the lining of small intestine and impairing the nutrient absorption. Next is a gallstone. Gallstone, it is a hard deposit that form in the gallbladder, and it can block the bile flow and leading to pain and digestive issue. Next, it is a peptic ulcer. Sores that form on the lining of the stomach or duodenum, often caused by imbalance between the stomach acid and protective mechanism. Then inflammatory bowel diseases. In inflammatory bowel diseases, it include condition like Crohn's diseases and ulcerative colitis, which causes a chronic inflammation in digestive tract. It ways to maintain the healthy digestive system. Then it is required to eat a balanced diet, focus on fiber food like fruit, vegetables, and whole grain to promote the digestion and regular bowel movement. Then next, it is stay hydrated. Drinking the plenty of water, here it help prevent the constipation and aid digestion. Then next is the exercise regularly. Physical activity stimulate the digestion, and it help to maintain the healthy weight and reducing the risk of the digestion issue. Then next, it is a limit of fatty and processed food. Reducing the consumption of fatty acid and processed food can help to prevent the condition like CRD and gallstone. Then manage stress. Stress can affect the digestion and leading to problems like IBS. Technique like yoga and meditation can help. So avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. In this smoking and alcohol can also irritate the digestive tract and lead to problem like ulcer and GRD. um, then next is a regular health checkup. Routine checkup and help to detect early signs of digestive disorder or ensure overall digestive health. Um, then digestive system is conclusion of end of the video is to digestive system is play a vital role in processing food, absorbing nutrient, and eliminating waste, and maintaining a healthy digestive system. Through a good dietary habit and regular exercise and proper hydration can help them ensure efficient digestion and prevent various digestive disorder. Thank you.